How you going, guys? Welcome back to another video. On this one, we're going to be painting our, well, not ours, but yeah, DNA Paint's grey day profile base coat. It's kind of like Nardo grey, but a little bit lighter, I think, a little bit bluer. But yeah, I'm going to be putting purple Haze color shift pearl over the top, which gives it that green to pinky purple kind of color shift, and it does look pretty cool. So the reason why I'm painting this is mainly because a guy I know is painting his Honda, I think, in Nardo grey, but he wants to put a purple pearl over it. And I thought, well, give us a couple of days and I'll make a video. So here it is. I painted it yesterday. I'm doing an intro for it now because I've got a little bit of free time today. XB Coupe, you're probably wondering how come you're not putting up the XB Coupe, but you're putting up this video. Well, I've spent probably 3 days editing the video. The car's all painted. It's actually right here. I'd be a bit rude if I didn't give you a bit of a sneak peek, and you're probably wondering, why is it still in the booth? Well, I actually painted the front clit gloss black yesterday, so that's all done now. I'd be pretty rude if I didn't show more of it, wouldn't I? Should I, or should I make you all wait for the main video? I better show you. So here we are. Let me shut the bonnet and you'll get a better look at the coupe. Here it is. It's got plastic on it. I better pull that all off so you can have a better look. There you go. That's all I'm pulling off at the moment. But yeah, it come out really nice. All off the gun. Dead flat finish. It's pretty clean actually. I've got a couple of specks of dust on it, but I mean, nothing that a denib and polish won't fix. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So looks pretty nice. Mick, the owner's pretty over the moon with it. He come and had a look at it. So I painted this Saturday, and Mick, the owner, come down on Sunday and checked it out. I might as well pull this off while we're at it. So there's that quarter that took ages to repair, and we got it dead straight. I've done the blackouts, so it's got the walnut glow over the back panel, around the whole bottom bit of the car, and that's pretty much it. So that's all I'm going to show you. You guys are going to have to wait for the video. It's all edited. I'll probably put that out probably Friday night, so tomorrow night I'll probably put that video up. But yeah, so grey day with purple Haze color shift. Let's get into it.